Welcome to VMS YouTube channel, my dear students. Now we will discuss cancellation loss here hold in a group. Generally we know that cancellation loss already, just like for example we have AX is equal to BX. That implies we can write A equal to B. Here we can apply right cancellation law. That's why this is called a right X here right side. That's why we can say it is a right cancellation. If we have XA equal to XB, that implies we can write A equal to B. In general we can use here. Here this X is here left side. That's why we can say left cancellation law. Right? This is the general solution. Now theorem statement or statement cancellation loss or hold in a group. This is the theorem title. Now we can statement in any group the right and left cancellation loss are told. This is the statement. Now we have to show that proof. Given that, very simple, given that G comma dot be a group, now we have to show that in a group has cancellation loss. First we have to show that left cancellation or right cancellation, anyone. Let A comma U comma V belongs to G according to closure property. And also we can take AU equal to AV, assume or consider. According to inverse property, A inverse belongs to G. Now we have multiply by A inverse in above equation. A inverse of AU equal to A inverse of AV. That implies according to associative property we can write A inverse of A into U equal to A inverse A into V. But we have A inverse A is equal to how much? E into U, that is equal to E into V. Here what is the property? Inverse property. Now we can write U equal to V. E into U is equal to E into U is equal to U, and E into V is equal to V, since inverse property, right? That's why we can write therefore AU equal to AV, that implies U equal to V, which is called a left cancellation law, therefore in any group left cancellation law is old. Similarly, we can prove right cancellation law. Here, listen to here. Here, already we know that what is the cancellation. If ax is equal to v, in this case, if ax is equal to v, we can write a is equal to b. This is called a right cancellation law. Or we have xa is equal to hb. In this case, we can write x is cancelled. In general, we can write, but here we cannot cancel directly here. According to inverse property, according to associative property, according to identity property. That's why we can write here. Okay. Now, cancellation theorem statement is theorem of the title is cancellation laws are hold in a group. This is the theorem statement. Title of the theorem. This is the statement of the theorem. In any group, the right and left cancellation laws are hold. Already, first of all, in every theorem given that, what is the given that here in this theorem, G comma dot be a group. Now we have to show that left cancellation law or right cancellation law hold in a group. According to that, assume that AU is equal to AB. A is equal to AB. Now according to inverse property, A belongs to here, A inverse belongs to U or G. According to inverse property, we can multiply by A inverse on left side. A inverse into AU equal to A inverse. According to associative property, we can write A inverse into A into U and A inverse into A into V. According to inverse property, we can write E. That's why we can write here E. That's why A into U, according to identity property, U equal to. That's why we can write here left cancellation law hold. Similarly, we can write right cancellation. Thank you, my dear students. This is the total proof. Thank you, my dear students.